Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming that VoiceOver is active so you can locate its controls. Open Settings and tap Accessibility. Once inside, find VoiceOver. You need to understand how VoiceOver changes gestures. Single tap selects, double tap activates. Make sure you can use three-finger scroll if necessary. If Settings is hard to navigate, use Siri to turn off VoiceOver as an alternate first action. Once you can reach the VoiceOver toggle, you're ready to move to the control method you prefer. Now you'll actually turn VoiceOver off using the method that's easiest for you. If you're in Settings, double-tap the VoiceOver switch to flip it off. The UI responds differently, so select then double-tap. Alternatively, press and hold the side or home button and say Turn off VoiceOver to Siri, which removes it quickly. If you set an accessibility shortcut, perform a triple click of side or home to toggle VoiceOver. Make sure to verify with a quick single tap. Controls should behave normally once it's off. Finish by confirming touch gestures and launching an app to ensure VoiceOver is disabled. If it's stubbornly on, restart the iPhone, power off and on, or force restart for unresponsive devices. This often clears a temporary state. If VoiceOver returns, open Settings Accessibility and scroll to Accessibility Shortcut to remove VoiceOver from the shortcut list, then try toggling again. As a last resort, reset accessibility settings to defaults. This preserves data, but clears custom accessibility shortcuts and should stop recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.